Apple's AirPods have dominated the market for years now, and for a long time nothing has really been able to compete with them. Google's Pixel Buds Pro are the first earbuds that made me think this could change. So after using them for the past couple of months, are they the perfect alternative for an Android user? Let's find out. So before we start making comparisons with the AirPods Pro, let's talk a bit about the Pixel Buds Pro themselves. They are Google's latest wireless earbuds, and they come with some extremely impressive features. Google are primarily a software-based company, and they are really showing off what they can do with some of the features included. The buds have active noise cancellation, which is really effective at blocking out background noise, and they also have a transparency mode. After using these for the past couple of months, I can say they do have a comfortable, secure fit and are sweat and water resistant, which makes them great for workouts or outdoor activities. I personally run with these in and have had no issues whatsoever. One of the standout features of the Pixel Buds Pro is the real-time translation feature, which is really impressive and makes them a great choice for international travel. This is something I don't personally use, but I thought it was worth mentioning for those who would make use of this feature. The buds are also able to connect to multiple devices, which allows you to seamlessly use them on any device, which I do appreciate. After recently switching from an iPhone and using AirPods, I did enjoy the fact that I could seamlessly switch from my Mac to my iPad to my iPhone, and I'm glad that now that I'm using a Pixel 7 Pro, I can still do that from my phone to my Mac. Now, I decided to get the Pixel Buds in a colour Google calls Fog, but they can also be purchased in charcoal, lemongrass and coral, which all look great. Now, let's talk about how they compare to the AirPods. Like I said before, AirPods are the most popular wireless earbuds on the market, so it is only natural to compare them to the Pixel Buds Pro. So in terms of sound quality, I find it extremely hard to choose one clear winner here, and I wasn't actually expecting this from the Pixel Buds. They sound very, very good, and they do match the quality that's coming from the AirPods Pro. The bass is punchy and the overall sound is balanced. Transparency mode on here and noise cancellation is just as good on both, so this should not be a deciding factor when choosing between these earbuds. Now, when it comes to design, I do think it is a matter of personal preference here. The AirPods have a distinct design that you either love or hate, while the Pixel Buds Pro have a more understated look. The Pixel Buds have touch controls, which I do prefer over the physical squeeze gestures on the AirPods, but I do think the Pixel Buds would be perfect for me if they were slightly smaller. That's really the only issue I have with them. I get that they have no stem like the AirPods do, meaning Google have to cram everything into that top portion of the bud, but hopefully they manage to make the Buds Pro 2 slightly smaller, as this will definitely help with comfort and the overall look. So let's talk about my long-term experience with the Pixel Buds Pro. I've been using them, like I said, for a couple of months, and I do have to say I'm really impressed. I wasn't expecting them to even be able to compete with the AirPods, but that isn't the case at all. They've held up really well over time. The battery life is great. I've also had no issues with connectivity whatsoever, which can sometimes be a problem with wireless earbuds. Using them with a Pixel 7 Pro as well has been a seamless experience, similar to using AirPods with an iPhone. So then, are the Pixel Buds Pro better than the AirPods? It's a tough call, and it's mainly because both earbuds have their strengths and weaknesses. I think the first thing to say is that if you are an iPhone user, then obviously I would say go for the AirPods Pro, because why not? But if you're an Android user, then these are the first earbuds that I can say are genuinely as good as the AirPods. Especially if you're into using the Google Assistant like me, then you will absolutely love having it accessible at any time with the Pixel Buds. Now overall, I think the Pixel Buds Pro are a great choice for anyone looking for high quality wireless earbuds. They offer great sound quality, They offer noise cancellation and a comfortable fit, all in a sleek design that, yes, could be smaller, but still look good regardless. If you take a look at my last few videos, you'll see I am actually quite impressed with a lot of what Google have been doing recently, and there's a lot more to come from them at Google I/O soon. I'll be getting my hands on a lot more Google products shortly, so if you want to see more, then definitely subscribe for that. Drop me a comment if you enjoyed the video, and let me know whether you're going for the AirPods, Pixel Buds Pro, or something completely different. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.